Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to episode number 91 here on season 1. Woo! Today we are talking about cryptocurrency and the huge dip that they had over September, I think was 2nd to the 4th, where they dropped from 5,000 like US dollars to $4,000 in a matter of 2 days, which is about a 20% drop. So what the heck happened? This question comes from MrRollerable. Wow, you know what? This episode, I feel really good about this one. The last one was like way too serious, so I'm super excited to have a little bit different kind of feeling about it. So anyways, he asks or says, cryptocurrency took a huge hit this past week. I think a video discussing this would be or could be interesting. And I think so too. That's why I'm making it. So if you guys are like, why the heck did it take a dip? I don't think I have a whole lot of people that are crypto investors on my channel right now. However, if they come, they come. If they don't, they don't. But in my limited knowledge and use of the interwebs, I've kind of came to the conclusion about why there was a dip. So there was a $2 billion cryptocurrency price correction over the weekend, which is crazy. So it went from 180 billion to 160 billion in like what people were buying and that kind of stuff. So I was looking on the interwebs. I found two different articles that kind of discussed about the dip, and I think that those are basically probably the reasons. Cryptocurrency is really volatile, and so like any news that comes out about it, like it just dips. Like it's weird. That's just kind of the way that it is. So Charles Hayter, that's such a weird name. The CEO and founder of CryptoCompare told Business Insider, which is where I got my article from, Bitcoin touched $5,000 on some exchanges, and with the psychological level met, the market panicked. With traders taking profits off the table, the price pulled back to 404,000 on the CryptoCompare BTC USD index. It actually dropped all the way down to $4,050 later, I think, after that. So that's one reason, was it hit 5,000, and so because it hit that level, people like it's a sell, so it's time to sell. So they just started selling, and then next thing you know, it hits people's stop losses and that kind of stuff, which means sell more, and then it hit $4,000, which was probably about where resistance was at, and so boom, next thing you know, we're on the rise again. Analysis also said the dip is just a correction after a wild start to the year. For these guys who don't know, the total value of all assets in the space in Bitcoin or cryptocurrency grew by more than 80% in August alone. So it went up. So if you were investing in cryptocurrency only in August, you would have made 80% of what you invested. So if you invested $100, you would have $180. So pretty good returns. I mean, obviously you got to put up with a little volatility, but it might be something to consider investing in, especially if it's going to continue going up. I don't know that much about crypto currency. I do cloud mining, but other than that, I don't buy and hold or anything like that. And then lastly, another reason why the dip happened was because, for those of you guys that don't live in the space, digital currencies or ICOs, which are initial coin offerings, were banned by the Chinese government. And these tools, so initial coin offering is basically a offering that a business uses. So it's like an IPO, initial public offering, all except it's a coin offering. So for instance, I run a business called the Creative's Corner, and if I wanted to do an initial coin offering, I would say, hey, we're selling our coins at this much whatever, and so people buy our coins, we generate crypto off of that. Boom, next thing you know, it's just kind of how the future is going to go if we switch to cryptocurrency instead of using US dollars. So it's just kind of the natural process. However, China put a stop to it and said no more in the state or the country of China, which caused cryptocurrency in general to drop. So that's another reason why there was a significant drop over the last couple of days. However, now it's sitting back around $4,400. I don't know. I think it's going to probably ride and sit level for a little bit, and then we'll probably get some news and it will jump from there. So right now it looks like it's, just looking at the charts, it looks like there's a lot of consolidation going on, and then we'll see if it's going to spike or if it's going to drop. Anyways, I hope that helps you out, MrRollerable, or anybody else is viewing this and like, I don't know why it did. Why did it dip? That's my very limited knowledge on cryptocurrency. Honestly, I don't really spend a whole lot of time in that space. But anyways, let's go ahead and dive into the question of the day, and that is who is your favorite character on Once Upon a Time? And I don't even know what Once Upon a Time is, or the actual video or show or whatever it is. So I have no, in my honest opinion, I have no clue on who my favorite character is because I don't know any characters. Anyways, if you guys have any questions regarding Stash, Acorns, or Robinhood, or just in general investing advice, business, Etsy, or coaching, feel free to post it down below, and I will always get them on the next episode. And until next time, don't forget to subscribe up here and check out how do I keep an 8% return on my Acorns account. And then check out this other cool video right here. And until next time, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.